Hello everyone to this new video. Today, we will have an practical to prepare bioplastic with easily available ingredients.
For now, we will need cornstarch, vinegar, glycerine, water, heating element and a silicone mold or a plate to give it a shape. Now we will take a heating element and we will add 120 ml of water. Here goes 100 ml and it's 20 ml. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and we will mix it thoroughly so that the cornstarch completely dissolves. And now we will add 6 to 7 ml of glycerine and 7 ml of vinegar. These are the essential elements to prepare bioplastic. We will mix it without heating it. Now we will add some food color to give our bioplastic a good color. So you can see now everything is set and everything is mixed. We will once mix it with a spatula. Now we will start it heating at very low temperature. After heating for a while, soon if it doesn't give any bubbles, we will keep the flame to the medium and we will mix it. You can see the bubbles now rising up. Mix it until it becomes jelly and sticky. Then we will put it in the molder and we will give it a shape. We will spread the bioplastic thoroughly so that it gets completely flattened and dries very quickly in the low temperature or at a room temperature. And if you keep it in the sunlight, it may reduce our time consumption to completely dry up. So you can see it is completely flattened now, and it takes about 2 to 3 days to completely dry up. You can see the results in the first day. Now you can see the final product after 3 days. It's completely made with biodegradable things and it's flexible, elastic and long lasting without getting teared, and you can use it for industries and it's better than the other petrochemical plastics. Thank you for watching my video and stay tuned for such videos and scientific products.